Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Now, here's the thing. It might look kind of clean, like the countertops are clean, the floors are relatively clean, but beneath the surface lurks, dun 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 dun, not organization. Not a thing in this kitchen is organized between you and I. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to bring you along with me as I organize some of the spaces in this kitchen. We're going to start with organizing the cabinets that are in this island that have collected so many random things. Next, I'm going to take you in all of my plastic containers, and some of them have lids and some of them don't. We're going to organize that. And then lastly, I'm going to take you along as I organize my junk drawer, which has collected an entire family of randomness that is in that drawer right now. So I'm going to organize all of the spaces using what I have. I'm not going to buy anything, but I just want to show you the process of how I do it. So come along with me. Let's get organized. Thanks so much for joining me here today. I hope you had fun coming along with me as I organized the kitchen. And now I can greet the new year with confidence because this space is organized. Make sure you follow along with my channel for tons more videos just like this one. And remember, friends, have a day as amazing as you are.